You making this dangerous mistake that's silently destroying your gut health? 99% of people do this every single day without even realizing it. And the consequences? Chronic bloating, digestive issues, inflammation, and even life-threatening diseases. But don't worry, by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to fix it, and as a bonus, I'll share one powerful gut healing remedy that can reset your digestive system almost overnight. So stay with me until the end, you don't want to miss this. Your gut is the control center of your entire body. It's home to trillions of bacteria, both good and bad, that dictate your immune function, energy levels, skin health, and even your mental well-being. When your gut is in balance, you feel amazing. Your digestion runs smoothly, your skin glows, and you rarely get sick. But when your gut is out of balance, that's when diseases creep in. Poor gut health is linked to serious issues like autoimmune disorders, allergies, obesity, diabetes, and even mental health conditions like anxiety and depression. Now here's where things get shocking. Most people unknowingly damage their gut every single day with one common mistake. And no, it's not just eating junk food. The mistake is way more subtle and far more dangerous. So what's the mistake? Not chewing your food properly? Sounds too simple to be true, right? But let me explain. Most people take a few quick bites and swallow their food almost whole. This forces your stomach and intestines to work overtime, leading to poor digestion, bloating, and nutrient malabsorption. Worse, large unchewed food particles ferment in your gut, feeding harmful bacteria and triggering inflammation. Scientific research has proven that chewing each bite at least 20 to 30 times before swallowing drastically improves digestion and reduces stress on your gut. When you chew properly, your saliva starts breaking down food before it even reaches your stomach, making digestion much easier. Your stomach doesn't have to overproduce acid, which means a lower risk of acid reflux and heartburn. Think about it. Our ancestors didn't have blenders or soft, processed foods. They chewed their food thoroughly, which not only helped digestion but also prevented them from overeating. If you don't chew your food properly, here's what happens. Incomplete digestion. Large food particles force your stomach to produce excess acid, leading to acid reflux, bloating, and gas. Nutrient deficiency. Your body struggles to absorb essential vitamins and minerals, leaving you tired, sluggish, and craving unhealthy foods. Bacterial overgrowth. Undigested food sits in your gut, feeding harmful bacteria and yeast, leading to bloating, gas, and even irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Increased toxins. Poor digestion leads to toxin buildup in your gut, affecting your skin, mood, and immune system. Many chronic skin issues like acne and eczema start in the gut. Weight gain. Poor digestion can lead to overeating because your body isn't absorbing nutrients properly, making you feel constantly hungry and craving unhealthy foods. Now that you know the mistake, let's fix it. Here's what you should do starting today. Slow down. Take smaller bites and chew each one at least 20 to 30 times before swallowing. Stay hydrated. Drink water before meals, not during, to prevent diluting digestive enzymes. Sip on herbal teas like ginger or peppermint after meals for extra digestive support. Eat fiber-rich foods. Include fermented foods like kimchi, sauerkraut, and kefir to boost your gut bacteria. Probiotic-rich foods like yogurt and miso can also help restore balance. Limit processed foods. Avoid artificial additives and preservatives that damage your gut lining. Instead, focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods like leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and lean proteins. Practice mindful eating. Put away distractions, sit down at a table, and truly enjoy your food. Being mindful while eating can improve digestion and reduce stress on your gut. Now, as promised, here's your bonus tip. Drink warm lemon ginger water every morning before eating. Why? Because this powerful drink stimulates digestion, kills harmful bacteria in your gut, reduces inflammation, boosts metabolism and energy levels, helps flush out toxins from your body. Simply squeeze half a lemon into warm water, add fresh grated ginger, and sip slowly. If you want to enhance the benefits even more, add a teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Do this for 7 days, and you'll feel a dramatic improvement in your gut health. Now that you know this gut-destroying mistake, it's time to take action. Start chewing your food properly, drink your morning gut-healing remedy, and watch how your health transforms. And if you want another game-changing health tip, check out our video on why you should sleep on your left side. It will blow your mind. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing health tips. See you in the next video.